Hey guys, it's Binkie'sWorld, and today I'm going to be reviewing my fidget toys on a scale of 1 to 10. Let's start with the poppets. So this is one of my poppet bracelets. I give this like a 9 out of 10. The reason I took away 1 point is because the bubbles kind of push up when you're wearing it, but otherwise it's a good poppet. I have 2 of those, and I give this one the same score. And then my octopus poppet, 10 out of 10, because you've got the little ones, then the big one. So I give this one a 10 out of 10. And then there's my 2 mini poppets. I give them both a 10 out of 10 because they are pocket size. They're pretty good, and you can pop them evenly like this. You don't have to be like, okay. And my color changing poppet, I also give this one a 10 out of 10 because it's a good poppet and it's really cool when it color changes. Snail poppet, 9 out of 10 because of the smaller bubbles. Circle poppet, 10 out of 10, really loud, and the bubbles are like the perfect size. Other circle poppet, probably an 8 because the bad side is ugh. And crab poppet, 10 out of 10 because of the wonderful good side. And octopus poppet, 10 out of 10 because great on both sides and has the little grips on it. Square poppet, 10 out of 10. Pretty good on both sides, and you can pop it evenly. There are all the poppets. I have 12. Now for the stress balls. Wait, they're all Neato balls. Oh well. Color changing from pink to purple, 10 out of 10. From blue to pink, 10 out of 10. From yellow to orange, 10 out of 10. And glow in the dark, 10 out of 10, glows in the dark really well. And this purple one, 10 out of 10 because it's of the perfect size. And strawberry, 10 out of 10, perfect size. 10 out of 10 for this one too. Banana, 10 out of 10 on squish level, but I did have to get more because my other banana popped. So I'd say on like how well it's made, I'd give it like an 8 because it popped the night I got it. And now bubbles. I give all 3 of these a 10 out of 10. So we can move those out of the way. And Among Us Dimple, I give this one a 10 out of 10 because of the different size bubbles. And squishies. I got a lot of squishies. This one, 10 out of 10, very soft and so rise. This one, 10 out of 10, it's adorable. 10 out of 10, big. 9 out of 10. 10, 9, because it's so small. And probably a 9 because of the hard stuff on there. And probably a 9 as well because I don't like the hole. And a 10 because it's so cute. A 10 because it's a good squishy and it's a snail. Definitely a 10 out of 10. It's really soft. And 10 out of 10, it's Panda Bun. 10 out of 10, really soft. I give this one like a 9 out of 10 because it's soft but not too slow rise. This one I give a 9 out of 10 because it's soft and not slow rise. 10. I love this one. Neapolitan ice cream sandwich. Probably a 9. Probably a 10 here be 10s except for this one. And these, I give them a 10 out of 10. And this is the one I made. I'm going to give it a 4 out of 10 because it's pretty, but it's full of stuffing. And now for the mochis. I'm just going to give all the mochis 10 out of 10 because they all feel the same. But here they are. There is something special with this one because this turtle is glow in the dark. And now for miscellaneous. I didn't know what category to put these in. We have the wacky tracks, which I give a 10 out of 10. Really fun to play with. And key poppers. If you get good ones like these, 10 out of 10. And pop tubes. Giant pop tubes. 10 out of 10. Because they get really long. Yeah, I'm going to give it 10 out of 10. Hold on, it's loud. Normal size pop tube. I give that one a 10 out of 10 too, because it's a pretty good size actually. And that's all my fidget toys. I'm gonna quickly lay them out so that I can do like a thing where you can see them all. Yeah, those are all my fidget toys. I think they're really fun to play with. And here they all are laid out. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe and tell all your friends and family to subscribe so that I can do a face reveal. Bye!